Hey guys, it's Kristen at Orpha Beatrice, and I wanted to do a quick little tutorial about Dritz Fray Check. It is super easy to use and very easy to find. You can get it at most craft stores. I think I've also seen it at Walmart too, so you can really get it anywhere. But it's awesome for any fabric project that you don't want to have to finish the edge using a sewing machine. When you cut regular cotton fabric over time or in the washing machine, it can start to fray quite a bit. So this keeps the fray in check. It is machine washable and also dry clean safe. So it's a really sturdy product. In fact, if you got it somewhere on a fabric that you didn't want it on, you'd need to soak it in alcohol for 30 minutes to break it up. So that tells you how strong and good it is. I've actually already done fray check along this little flag. I just wanted to show you. I'm going to actually make a flag out of this. This is about 4 by 6. When you open the product, you don't want to nip the top. I used a little safety pin and stuck it through the top so that the product doesn't come out too fast. I've already done this edge and this edge just for the sake of being able to show you how we trim once it's dry. So I'm going to show you how to apply through these two edges. You can either apply it on a nice clean edge like this one, or you can apply it on a fabric that's already begun to fray. If you're going to apply it on a fabric that's already started to fray, you're going to want to come down just a little underneath where the fraying happened and apply the glue. You can apply it by either holding the fabric up, see if you can see that, holding the fabric up and then running along the edge line. I don't like to do that. I like to put it down just to make sure that I'm getting the product everywhere that I want it. This is an old placemat, so if you do it this way, make sure you're working on a surface that you don't mind if glue gets on it. It doesn't come off super great, so don't do it on your dining room table or something. Do it on a piece of paper at the very least. So I've got this whole side covered, and then I'll cover this one too. Normally we'd wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. And this will dry clear. I wouldn't recommend it for satin. You can see this side is already drying, and those are the two that we just did, but it'll dry clear. I wouldn't recommend it for satin because in my experience, it doesn't dry clear. But you could always test a little test scrap of fabric to see if the fabric that you want to use it on, if it will do the job. So to make the flags, I just took this 4 by 6 fabric. I applied the fray check along all of the edges, folded it in half long ways, and then eyeballed about 1 inch from the corner and nipped. Don't forget to apply fray check on the new parts that you've just cut so that those don't fray. And then where this is dry and we've got all of those frayed pieces, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly that when you go to nip them off, because we've already got the fray check in place, it's not going to continue to fray anymore. So we've got a nice clean line and ta-da! If you guys love this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my page and leave me a comment letting me know what you are going to use fray check on for your next project. Thanks, bye!